This actually seems weird because
Yeah,
we haven't done this for 3 or 4
while,
weeks now. Yeah.
and we are so sorry that we haven't sort of been on YouTube or been about.
It's been a strange.
To be fair and honest with you, we've struggled.
Yeah, we have.
We've struggled very, very much, and we just take each day as it comes. Really, at the moment,
Feeling fairly upbeat at the moment.
Yeah.
It was the first 2 or 3 weeks in the Marina.
Yeah, it was a double whammy, I think.
Yeah. I think after being caught up, getting the videos out, and just being overwhelmed with all the comments and everything, that just kept us on this high.
It did.
And I think we came crashing down. Yeah, and the reality of everything hit us.
Yeah, very much so. Like I say, we are. I mean, we are upbeat, but there are days.
It was the overnight change of lifestyle to continuously cruising, and we knew. We didn't really meticulously plan, but we planned where we was going to be next to get shopping and bits and pieces. Now we're in this marina, and a beautiful marina,
It's
beautiful
a wonderful
location,
marina.
but it is in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
You can't walk or anything,
No.
and
You can't really walk anywhere.
And everybody here has been so helpful, offering us lifts and that, which is out of our comfort zone, asking for help. We have a couple of times and really appreciate those lifts that we had.
The people that live on the marina are absolutely wonderful. And the marina itself has been really helpful.
The staff been very accommodating. Yeah, everything's been great. And we've only met a few of the people because of lockdown.
Yeah.
Just a few of the people who are living on the boats. All the others we've been contacted, messaged by. We hope to get to our boat once lockdown ends. So we're sort of hoping to meet you all
looking
soon.
Forward to meeting you all.
And I don't know where we was going with this because I'm totally waffling on.
Which he does regularly.
Yeah. So was struggling initially.
We were.
We've now got the car. Which is working out expensive because Morrison's and Sainsbury's are only down the road. We seem to be shopping daily.
It's unreal that
you only go out for a pint of milk, but you spend £34.
I know. Scary.
Yeah,
Very
so I'm
scary.
looking forward to getting through all this, getting rid of the car and back to normal. Yeah. I've actually started trying to look for a job, but it's a little bit tricky at the moment, so we'll cover that in another vlog.
But we've had the car now, and it's funny how when you haven't had a car for so long, how you can just fall back into that whole, the car's there, that sort of, mind you, we do need the car. Every appointment I've had so far has been in Manchester, and that's an hour's trek there and an hour's trek home. I've seen my oncologist now, which was an extremely long day. We left at 8:30 to get there for 9:30. I had my bloods done at 10, saw the doctor at 12:30, and we got home here about 3:30.
Yeah, which
very long
for those
day.
of you with dogs, if you leave your dogs too long, you get a little bit stressed and worried about them. And they're good as gold. They don't do any damage or anything like that. But I do fret when I've let. I feel guilty.
It's a guilty thing. We leave when you've left the dogs for so long.
Yeah, so that was a long day.
Hopefully that won't be like that again. It was just something that happened.
And the lady told you sort of what to expect after that, and we thought we had a 2-week window before the treatment started, but bang, a few days later, phone call. And
I start my I don't like to call it chemo, I don't like that word, treatment on Friday. So if you're watching this, I will be had it and home on the boat, and But
not only that, this week we've had to cram in over to Manchester for a COVID test.
Yeah, a 2-hour round trip for a 30-second COVID test.
Today you went to Winsford, which was fairly local, 10-15 minute drive for a blood test, and then tomorrow you've got a day off.
Yeah.
And Friday we thought we only had chemotherapy, but we've managed to squeeze one more thing in.
I'm going for a wig fitting first thing in the morning before my chemotherapy starts, because she couldn't fit me in. So I'm going for a wig fitting. Watch this space.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can't lie. I'm a little bit apprehensive about Friday, but obviously we'll keep you posted with how everything goes and stuff.
Yeah, and I just haven't been filming. We've had some beautiful days here around the marina, and I want to take the drone up, but because of lockdown, haven't really been able to speak to the staff here, and you know I all got in trouble taking my drone up over the Anderton boat lift, so I don't want to get in trouble again. So I just want to check that it's okay. I'll just do a skirt around the perimeter and a little bit of film around the marina, because like I say, it's a beautiful marina.
Very nice.
And it's not just the marina, they have Knights boat builders, they have their sheds over there. I think there's 5 or 6 different sheds where there's a boat being worked on at some different stage. Yeah, all the shot blasting for having the 2-pack epoxy resin done instead of traditional bitumen blacking. But so hopefully, as I get to know people around the marina, I will be able to cover these things more in depth.
Yeah, which is a little bit more input for you as to how we're doing as well with that.
And we've got some not how to, but how I do videos coming up, so that'll be interesting. There'll be some more beer from the chair with my right nice pint beer reviews.
And I was told that I could have a gin and tonic whilst I was on my treatment. Because it's Christmas. I don't know whether that's a thing, but she said, Debbie, she said to have a gin and tonic, but don't get drunk. That is what she said.
She went to see a Macmillan nurse, and after your oncology nurse or whatever, and afterwards said to Debbie, have you any questions? And I think that was
my first question.
Yeah.
Can I drink alcohol?
Yeah.
And she said, of course you can, it's Christmas.
Yes.
She said, one thing, Debbie, don't get drunk. And I said, no, I won't.
So double rations for me. Yeah. So I think that's about it. It's not really a vlog, more of an update. But we will be putting some more narrowboat related vlogs together.
Yes.
Yeah, and even just sitting here filming this now, it feels good doing it.
Yes, it does. Yeah. And because lockdown's up now, I think we're in tier 2. This area. Yeah. So we can still go out and cruise. I mean, even though if I'm a little bit poorly or whatever, it doesn't matter, because it's pretty straightforward.
As long as we don't go too far away.
No, but we can still do a little bit of cruising and stuff, can't we?
Yeah. Yes, we can.
So, yeah.
Yeah, and just before we sat down, unbeknown to us, we got a message through social media. Our niece is doing what they call Brave the Shave, and I'll see if I can stick a picture here. I haven't even got a picture on my computer of her, but I will get one and download it and edit it in later.
Yeah.
Beautiful Gemma, and she's going to shave her hair off in sympathy with Deb, but for a reason. She's going to raise money for Macmillan, and she said she also wants to raise a little bit of money for our expenses and that, but we'll probably put that back into the Macmillan fund anyway.
Most probably will.
Yeah, so I will put the link down for that below. If you can just go check that out and just share it with anybody, and we'd really appreciate that.
Yes. So I think that's about it.
Yes, I can't think of anything else to waffle. Yeah, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. Yeah. We got the decks up.
Yeah, managed to put them up today.
Yeah, so I just want to say a massive, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for everybody's support, all of the messages, everything. It has really, really helped us very, very much.
Yeah.
Some have made us cry.
Some have made us
laugh. But that there aren't words I can say.
And again, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but for all the support we've had on Patreon and PayPal, thank you so much.
Yeah. There aren't words. There aren't words to say. There aren't words invented. But I just want to say to you, thank you so much, for everybody, for everything that you've done for us.
So we just actually cut there, went off on a tangent. We've been nattering for about 10 minutes.
Sorry about that.
I don't know where we've got to. So
I think is about
this is not
week.
Really a like, subscribe, share type video. But if you did like the video,
press the like button.
If you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button.
If you want through the future notifications of any videos we upload,
the bell icon,
and share it with other people that you know on
and
social media.
Please don't forget your comments. We will try and
Yes,
get back
yes,
to you.
yeah, try and-
The next few days are going to be just a little bit.
Yeah, it's the unknown, I think.
Yeah.
The unknown.
Yeah, the next few days are, and maybe the following week. It depends. I'm not sure how I'm going to react. I don't know if I'm going to be poorly, if I'm going to be fine. So if we don't come back with your comment, if we don't reply straight away, please forgive us. We will.
We do still read them. It's just to comment on the amount of comments we had.
But we will try and do our best.
Yeah.
And we love you all.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
So, see you all next time.
Bye.